And later he talked to my mom, and he was like, your daughter speaks really good English. She never lets me take the credit. She is always like, because of her trainer she is able to speak. From that day he never speaks to me this, like, he remembers way too old things. He'll say you the exact date, the exact timing. He does know how to do a haircut. He does know how to like set your eyebrows and all. I was like, being a man, you know, these things is something really, like, really something good. So yeah, these are the things I really like about him. He is a good cook as well. He cooks really.
Sir is very humble that if any ambulance crossed by the road, so sir just pray for the patient. So it is something that nobody does that. And second thing is, like you said, that sir is a very good cook, and sir notice every single thing whenever we do mistakes and any sentences. So he exactly know the how much we did the mistakes. So it is something that everyone likes, and we just thinking that how sir doing this thing is so easily.
So hey Sheetal, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
As you can see that I am as usual. So, as you know that I came after a really long time today, and I see that today when you were performing, you were looking quite comfortable, because when you used to perform earlier, you used to like hesitate a lot. So, how did you get this thing?
So it is come with a lot of patience and time, and I which I give here. And sir always tell me that you have to practice more and more, and you have to solve passages as well. So it's something it's work for me.
Yes, I'm actually really happy for you, because when today you were performing, I was like observing you, and I saw that the way you were performing, at least you were comfortable and you were having like better accuracy than before. So it's a good thing, and I'm happy for you.
Yeah. So how was your experience when you are junior or new batch?
Actually, you can say that I was kind of really lucky, because during my time I had really good co-trainees. They used to be really supportive, and I used to be the youngest one. Whenever I used to have any problems, they used to always help me. Sometimes I can say that today whatever I am speaking, definitely sir has a really big hand in it, but my co-trainees has also helped me. So I can say that I have been really lucky in this matter, because they used to be really supportive and really helping. And what do you want to say about your co-trainees, like as we are with you now? So what do you want to say?
So since 1.5 year, I 1 month, I felt that everyone is very good, and everyone I forgot their names, but they supported me somewhere or the other whenever I used to mistake. So they tried to make me understand, and that time I feel that they are so humble to me, because some like is they don't want to help other people, and they just want to their work doing and just go back to their home. But they are really humble to me.
Actually, this is the specialty of this center, that uh, all are ready to help you. Like, this is something I really like about this center, that the co-trainees will not make you feel left out, and they are always eager to help you. You just need to like ask, and they are all ears to like listen to your problems, and they are all eager to solve it. So this is something you can say is the specialty of this session, of this institute. So when you came here for the first time, how was your reaction, as you were here for the demo class?
Yeah, I was very amazed by the sirs, because sir was correcting me whenever I used to do mistakes in some sentences. So, and I also listened everyone's speeches, and they were like very amazing, and I was a little bit uncomfortable, and but by that time I felt very good here, and whenever I come here and I feel very good, and in classes I try to speak more and more so I can do better in my field as
Yeah,
well.
I remember because that day the class was way too crowdy and you were kind of disturbed and you said that I didn't like crowd and all. So yeah, I can. But on one thing I can relate with you, as you know that you were directly promoted in batch B as you
Yeah.
took admission. So when I took admission here, sir also sent me in batch B, and so I when I got to know that you are like in batch B, so somewhere or the other I was relating myself to you that the same thing happened to me as well. And he always says this thing that because of your confidence I sent you in batch B. But when I went in batch B, I was like, what the heck? They used to perform like hungry bulls, they were not ready to give you chance, and I used to sit dumbfoundedly, and I used to just look at their faces, and I have disturbed a lot, sir, saying that, sir, this batch is not for me, send me in batch D or batch E. Because they used to be way too talented, and I have seen them performing. You won't believe when like now you guys see me performing in a story session, but in the starting, like for 1 to 2 weeks, I just used to sit in during the story session, and I just used to see everyone's faces because I was not even able to translate a single sentence. And that time I used to hate story from my guts. I used to hate it. I was like, why the hell sir cover this session? It should not be done and all. So yeah, and what is your favorite session so far?
So I will say that in 1 month I don't that much go in a story session or something else, because I find that I am very deaf, because whatever sir is saying and I can't hear properly and speak and properly. So for 1 month I was feeling like that I don't know anything in English, and when you were speaking, so I was feeling like that you are describing me, because I also said that to sir that you have to transfer on another batch, because I have to work on my basics, because when I speak, so I usually speak very wrong in grammatically, but sometimes I confidently very speaking grammatically, so people don't that much notice.
Actually, when you performed for the first time during the sessions, that day itself, I got to know like why sir sent you in batch B, because you were oozing out from the confidence. The confidence was oozing out from you. So that was something I really liked about you. And people think that accuracy is only matters in English, but there are many things like your accent, your accuracy. Definitely accuracy is important, but apart from it, your body language, body posture, these are things also matter. And I don't know how, but you have those things. I really like your style and the calmness which you carry while performing, because usually when people speak in English and if they have that Hindi background as we have, they will have that stocky kind of expression on their face. Even if they are saying something funny, you won't see that expression on their face. They'll have that a neutral expression and they will speak. So you should be thankful to God that you don't have, because you speak really in a really calm way. Because I have seen many students when they speak now, they have that bothersome expression. I have seen you like you do face some problems while making some translations, but still you have that calm aura, calm expression, which I really like about you. So yeah, this is something really good about you.
So, when you feel that you completely understand English and you can able to speak with anyone.
Actually, an incident happened. Like when I was in the training center. So what happened? My brother used to study in Loyola. So one day I talked to his class teacher, and that day I gained my confidence, because talking to a teacher of ICSE board, definitely their English is so good. All the teachers of ICSE, because ICSE is known for English medium. So I that day I talked to him, and in in the starting, indeed I was feeling nervous because I was thinking that how will I speak to him. He is his English must be really good. But when I talked to him, I didn't even realize that I was able to say sentences very fastly, as I was feeling that I am saying sentences in Hindi as I speak. And on the same way, I was able to speak in English as well. And later he talked to my mom, and he was like, your daughter speaks really good English. Like from where she has studied. And my mom proudly said that she is from a government medium. And like my mom has this tendency, she never lets me take the credit. She is always like, because of her trainer, she is able to speak. And she is a walking, talking end machine of this center. And she explained all the things, that where is the center and all. So that day, and the next day my mom came here and she met to sir, and she explained it, all the things that the teacher said these things about my daughter, and she was really happy. So that day I finally realized that at least now I'm able to speak, because look, still I am in my learning phase, I'm still learning. So I never let myself consider this thing that now I know English, because English is a very vast language. The more you go into it, the more you'll find to learn. So I really like this thing about me, that I never get bored about this thing. I really like to do the classes. I really like, you can see that whenever I perform, still in the sessions, I perform as eagerly as I can. I don't like to give my chances. So yeah. So like, did you find you might find this center different from other centers where you go for the first time, and they make you do some translations and all, which you usually don't get here. So like, what are the things you like about this center?
First thing, that everyone is very helpful, and sir made that confidence that you have the ability, which I was thinking that I'm not that much comfortable to speak with someone, and now also, because I hesitate a lot with someone whenever I try to speak, but sir showed that he had confidence that I can speak. So that quality I really like about it. And third thing is, and that everyone is just not letting their chance to go anywhere, and we just wait for our chance when it will come to us. But everyone is doing so fast, so I'm just learning that thing that I always do.
Okay, so like, I have this question. I really wanted to ask you that why did you think that you need to learn this language, like English?
So because you know that in every field you will go, there is a special required that you have to speak English, and if you don't know English, you can't able to do job there, and so it is very a mandatory language. So I want to learn this thing, learn, and that's why.
Actually, you won't believe, I have a really silly story behind me decided to learn this language, because when I was still in school, so one day I went this Hajra bookstore and I was buying some stuffs related to my project. And that time, a friend of my father, he came and he started talking to me in English. And that time as well, I used to understand whatever someone is saying, but I was not able to speak. And the same thing happened that day as well. Actually, he was an English teacher, and he loves to rub this on everyone's faces that he is an English teacher. So that day as well, in front of everyone, he started talking to me in English. And you won't believe, I was just simply answering him in yes, no, because even though I was thinking that no, I can say the sentence, but I was thinking that something is stuck in my throat and I'm not able to deliver the sentences. And that day I realized that no, I need to learn this language, and I learned it. And after that, you won't believe, I again met that friend of my father, and from that day he never speaks to me in this particular language, because yeah. So, and I'm really thankful to that uncle, because if that uncle would not have poked me, then definitely I would not have showed interest to learn this language. And somewhere or the other, I get this stubbornness that no, I need to learn this, I need to prove myself, just because I'm from a Hindi medium does not mean that I can't speak English. So I can say that because of that uncle, I'm able to speak today. Because if he would not have insulted me in front of everyone, that maybe I would not have been here today. So I'm really thankful to him. So I can say that sometimes bad things also gives good result. So yeah.
So whenever I saw you and Firdaus to speaking, so it is something that inspires us so much that we have to speak like them, and you both are just speak and so fluently and calmly and interestingly, so people are just all ears, and they just want to keep listening you, and they sometimes think that they are how they is speaking so good and comfortably. If we are just want to listen them, because some one just speaking and they were like just feeling bored and not interesting, but your conversation and stories are so interesting, so people are eagerly waiting for your story and speeches, and so I feel that it is inspire us everyone, and everyone talks about you, and Firdaus, that you all are doing so good in speeches.
Actually, I'm really thankful that it is really something so big you said. But I can say that even though I still don't consider myself that good. But I do know that whatever I've gotten from the practice and from the consistency. Because I remember that I used to do all the things which Sir used to say, and that time Sir didn't even used to have his channel, and also whatever he used to say, I used to blindly follow those things. And because of being consistent and because of taking things seriously, whatever I'm able to speak just because of those things. So yeah, I'm really thankful that you guys think like that. And
So what do you like about Sir?
I say this thing always, that very less people have this a very good presence of mind. Because I don't have at all, and I do know the value of having a good presence of mind, and he does have this thing. Even though he is in class, he is covering sessions being serious, but he still knows whatever the things which is going around him. And this is something I really like about him, that he is he remembers way too old things. He'll say you the exact date, the exact timing, and this is something I really like about him. And definitely the multitasking which he does. Because whether it's related to his professional life, he knows all the things, no one can defeat him in his field. And whether it's related to house chores, because once he said that he does know how to do a haircut, he does know how to set your eyebrows and all. I was like, being a man, these things is something really really something good. So yeah, these are the things I really like about him. He is a good cook as well, he cooks really good. So yeah, he is a multitasker, and you find really less people who are do multitasking. So there are many things I like about him, but the most is I have seen, you can take me as an example. Because I used to consider myself that I won't be able to speak English, because I was seeing people speaking English and it used to be really tough for me. But and I was on the verge of giving up. I was like, no, I won't be able to do it anymore, because that time I was getting things from outside as well, that it will just enhance your personality, it is of no use, and people were saying many things. But that time he also helped me a lot. So this is something I really liked about him, that not only he helps his students in study, but he also helps them emotionally. And if anyone have a problem related to their personal life or something, he is all ready to help. So this is something I really like about him. So yeah. And what is something you like about Sir?
The very first day I noticed that Sir is very humble, that if any ambulance cross by the road, so Sir just pray for the patient. So it is something that nobody does that. And And second thing is, like you said, that sir is a very good cook, and sir noticed every single thing whenever we do mistakes and any sentences. So he exactly know the how much we did the mistakes. So it is something that everyone likes, and we just thinking that how sir doing this thing is so easily. Any funny moment of your intuition?
Actually, we won't believe that whenever we used to perform in a story session, and when I started performing in a story session, I used to be that naughty kind of person, and I used to rub it on everyone's face when they don't have the English, they don't know the English of any word, and I used to know that. I used to rub it and I used to show it off that, look, I know and you guys don't know. And like my old co-trainees used to say that she like literally behaves like a kid. So I do have many memories of this center. Anything which you find hilarious of this?
So, as you find me very clumsy, and whenever
Actually, yeah, that thing I also find hilarious when the like towel which sir uses usually to wipe his face off. You like took his towel and you like dusted off your bench. So and I was like looking at sir's face, and he was like, "What should I say? Should I say or should I not?" So that was something really hilarious, and you were just calmly like you were wiping your bench, and I was just looking at his face, but still he didn't say anything.
I had no idea that cloth was Sir's hanky, but later on I find it very funny. But and whenever I do something, so everyone just started laughing on me. So I just say something, so some bhaiyas laughing on me. So when I thought that I should speak something, but I just said that no, I don't say something, because if they are get angry on me, so what will I do?
This is something you should not be worried about here, because no matter what, no one will be angry on you. And this is something, the specialty of this center, that like we consider each one as a family. So yeah, you guys are a part of the family of this center. So of course, if you want to make fun of each other in family, then like with whom you wanna do it. So yeah, this is something good. So how did you like, after, I can say that this is for the very first time as we are talking to each other like face to face for a really long time. So how did you find me?
Always were graceful when you speaking you very confidently, and delivering your speech very calmly, and I'm just looking you and just thinking that what should I say next, because when you finished your sentence, so I have to speak something, but you are handling so good, so I try to speak more good, so it looks good, because you are doing so good in your field, and I am just learning.
Okay, you should not be like this, because you know that, come on, I'm learning since a year now, so it is because of this, and definitely you will also be able to do it. Right now, you are speaking in front of, like, you are speaking to me this good, this, you should be happy with yourself, and I really like talking to you, and hope we'll talk again in future and all.